Hi guys, my name is Ash. In this video we are going to play Sorceress. I think its name is whatever, and yep, in this video my sister is playing with me too. Here she, and yep, let's get started. Oh, okay. What is going on? Day 1. Okay. Let's see. Oh, such a peaceful music is playing over here. Okay, here's my sister too. Oh, our objective is to talk to mom. Okay, let's see where is she. Oh, okay. Oh, here's she. Hello. I've been worried about your dad lately. He keeps going on about some blocky cola drink. Go talk with your dad and see what's going wrong with him. Okay. Hello, Dad. We need to have a chat. It's very serious. I need you to get me more blocky cola, okay? I'm down to my last can. I don't think I can last much longer. Okay. So, go to the shop across the road and get some for me, okay? Well, bye. Let's get some blocky cola. There's the shop. Hello. The blocky cola is behind me. Yeah, so give it to us. What such a bad service is. We have to get it ourselves. Anyways, let's just get some blocky cola. Okay. Here you go, your blocky cola. Oh, how I missed you. Won't you love blocky cola? The blocky cola gods are calling me. What is going on with him now? Oh, also don't forget to visit your granny. She needs help delivering a package, she said. Okay. Okay, let's go to granny. Okay, here's her house. Oh, she have a very small house. And what is she watching on the TV? Anyway, let's talk to her. Thanks for coming to help me. I need help delivering a package to the neighbor. Their package must have been shipped to my house by mistake. Don't worry, their house is just across the road from here, so it should be quick. Okay, be careful though, the neighbor is a strange man. Okay, yeah, he looks strange. Okay, let's go to the neighbors and give him his package. Okay. Why are you in my home? Oh, you got my package. Thanks, I guess. You should have known. Since you're already here, why don't you watch TV with me? You don't wanna watch the TV with me? Yes. Ha 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 ha. Nice joke, buddy. You should be careful who you joke with. I'm not joking. Oh, what a bad channel. Let me change it. Oh, cannot pick the remote. Anyways, what just happened? Oh, look at his face, such a scaredy cat. I think the power just went out, man. I'm afraid of one thing, the dark man. Who's the dark man? You're gonna have to go behind the house and reset the generator. Please, I'm begging. Okay. Even though we are not your servants, but okay, let's just be kind. Okay. Oh, there's the generator. Oh, it's taking forever. Oh, phew. Okay. Talk to the neighbor. Okay, our other objective is to okay, we have reset your generator. Now what? thanks for doing that, man. I own you big time. We want money, not time, dude. Whatever you say. You should probably head home and get some rest. Yeah. See ya. Okay, bye. Okay, let's go home. Okay, let's go home and have some rest. Let's sleep. Okay. You can't seem to fall asleep. Why? Day 2. Now what? Oh. Talk to mom, okay? Let's talk to mom. Oh, the music changed. Oh, what is happening to me? Dad still hasn't returned home since yesterday. Go to the shop and talk to the shopkeeper to see if he has seen him. This is starting to worry me now. Okay. Yeah, she looks so worried. Okay, let's go and talk to the shopkeeper. Oh, it's raining out here. Hello? You're looking for your dad? Yup. Yeah, I seen him a bit ago. Think he was walking towards your neighbor's house. Okay, let's go to the neighbors. Okay. Hello. Have you seen our dad? You're looking for your dad? Yes. Yeah, he's here just behind my house at the moment. Okay. He had way too much blocky cola. Didn't want him being sick on my good sofa. So you let him outside in the rain? Oh. He had this weird look in his eyes. Also creepy stuff, man. Okay. Let's make sure that he's okay. Okay. Dad, you're okay? What just happened? Oh, it's starting to be creepy now. Oh. Hollow Grove. Oh. It's so scary. Oh. Dad? Where's my sis? Whoa! What just happened? Oh, he was looking so creepy. The Hollows weep. Why are they here now? What's going on? No, this is not quite right. Yeah, it's so scary. It's getting darker and darker. Oh my god. What just happened? Oh my god. The time is drawing closer. Oh, please. What is going on? I thought something creepy is going to happen. Oh, that's Dad. Oh, the day 2 is so crazy. So the day 3 must be more crazier. Oh, it's so scary. Oh, here's Dad. Are you okay? My head is killing me. Why am I outside here right now? It's so blurry. You should head home and get some rest. I'll catch up with you in a minute. Oh. Let's head home and sleep. Oh, Mom is still worried and standing over there. Okay, so we should sleep now. Okay. Day 3. Talk to Dad. Oh. Okay, let's go and talk to Dad. Oh. Where's Mom? Oh, he's sleeping on the sofa. No, my blocky cola. is gone. All of it gone. You need to give me more blocky cola at the store. I feel the energy spreading from my body as we speak. Oh, he's so addictive to that cola. So let's get some for him. Oh, there's a shop. Hello, shopkeeper. Oh. Your dad's sick from lack of blocky cola. Yeah. Sorry, man. We don't even have any blocky cola left. Oh. If you really need some blocky cola, there might be a badge in the garbage behind the shop. Okay. We usually throw out the old ones before they expire, but they should be just fine to drink if your dad really needs it. Yeah. Also ignore the hobo Larry if you see him. Okay, as you say, but still we will talk to him. And who is that hobo Larry? Oh, I think this guy is. Be careful for a demon lives in the trash. What? Oh, crazy man. Okay, let's search in the trash. Okay. Now what? If he appears, don't move. Who? Oh, it's going to be scary. Oh, we're in the garbage. Oh man. Oh, it's so scary. Oh, it's so scary. It's so scary. I hope nothing happens. Oh. Ah! Oh my God! What is that? It was scary. I think he was talking about that demon. Oh my God, that is scary. Please don't come again. Oh my God. Where is that blocky cola? Oh, I think that's... Oh my God, please don't come again. You're giving me heart attacks. Oh my God. Here's the blocky cola. Let's get this for that. It's so scary. But still, we have to be brave. They are almost here. Who? The wall is shattering. Oh, investigate the noise behind the house. Oh, I can hear some noises. They are coming from behind the house. Let's see. Okay, let's go and see what's going on there. I hope nothing scary happens again, please. Oh my God. Oh, what is it? Mom, you're okay? What are you doing? You're hurting yourself. No! What was that? Oh my God. Go back to bed. Yes, maybe I should just go to sleep. Yep, it's so dark out here and scary. Something's happening to everyone. Everyone is going crazy. Oh my God. What is happening? Let's just go to bed. Oh man, this game is so scary. Day 4. Oh, talk to dad. Okay, the music is so scary now. Okay, let's talk to dad. Oh, where's mom? Wait, what? What is happening to you, dad? You've turned into a blocky cola. All I know is blocky now. Oh, how I cola for you now, non-blocky. What is going on with you now? Blocky, cola, cola, blocky, yuppie, blocky. What are you saying? Talk to the shopkeeper. Yes, we should ask him what's going on. Oh, it's still rainy out here. Hello, shopkeeper. Lot of weird stuff happening in this town. I think it to do with the climate change or some. It's not the climate change. It's some kind of spooky ghosts and some kind of that. It's not because of the climate change. Oh man. Oh, did you see that? Yeah, that black shadow over there. I just saw a black shadow in that neighbor's house. Ah! What is this thing? What's up, man? Have you seen my new cat yet? And then she's ugly and she's a cat. Let's see what will she say. Meow. Oh, she's so scary. Okay, let me show you what was there. I think we can see it from the door. Okay. The door is locked. See that? Oh, there are a lot of pictures of cats over here. But this is so scary. Oh man. What was that thing? Oh, that was a demon in the garbage. Yes. Oh my god. Visit Granny's. Oh, Granny, please help me. Some weird stuff is happening. I hope you're all right. Why there are a lot of webs and this place is dusty? Creasy! Grandma, you're the spider! Oh, Grandma, what is going on with you? Try and go to sleep. Oh, but it's morning. I guess if we have to stay safe from these all weird things, so we should sleep. That is still a blocky cola. Oh, let's just go to bed. Oh, here are some posters of blocky cola in our room. I don't know why. Anyways, let's go to bed and sleep. Oh, okay. Day 5. It will be more creepier. I know. Ooh, everything is black and white. Oh, it's so scary. Oh, I hope no jump scares are here. Oh man. Look for the key. Let's see. Mom and Dad are not home. Oh, there's no key anywhere. Let's see. The shopkeeper must have known something. Hello? The shopkeeper's not here too. Oh man, something's going very weird here. Oh, it's too late now. It was worth a try. Try and find the right path. What are they saying? Oh, what's going on? Oh, this game is so creepy. The horizon. Oh, there are a lot of flowers here. And where is my sister? Where is she? Oh, I think it's a grave. What is this place? Oh, I think I should press it. Oh, here's a button over here. Okay. Oh, creepy sound. Okay, we have to be brave. Oh, nothing's going to happen. Okay. Oh, now where are we? Oh, here is someone. Let's talk to him. The spirits still coming into this world. Sometimes I have to remind myself they are not here anymore. What is happening to you? Only the hollow shell of the what was remains. Oh. Let's see. What will this grave say? Oh, what is going on? I'm scared. Oh, I think the people who played this game made their graves. Zenel Zone 0 is better than Gil, whatever. Let's see. Did you see that man? Yes. He's the demon. He's scaring us everywhere. Oh man. Oh, more scary voices. Oh, the music is so scary. Okay, just be brave. Now where are we? Go to the bedroom in the house. Oh, there's an arrow, but it's only wall. How did I do that? I'm climbing on the wall with two bare feet. How? What is going on? Is it a kind of illusion? Oh, what is this? Quality Homes Roblox relation sold. There was never been a better time to buy. Wait, our house is sold? But why? Oh, wait, there are flowers growing in our house too? What is happening to Mom and Dad? They have become that demon? Oh my god! Everyone is like that demon. Oh my god. What is going on? I'm so scared. I just have to go to bed and sleep. I hope nothing happens. Oh, please nothing happens. Please. Wait, who's sleeping on this? This is me. How am I sleeping here? Wake up. Oh, please wake up. I'm waking up myself. What is going on? You've gone too far. What? Ethereal rest, ending rest in peace. What? Oh, this is the end. I don't know what just happened, but well, thank you guys for watching. I don't had a lot of fun. This is so scary, and if you like the video, please like, subscribe, and share. And well, bye. This was a scary game.